Corporate and IT Governance Assessment in IS Audit. Today, we are discussing an important topic in IS Audit: Corporate and IT Governance Assessment. Before auditors test technical controls such as passwords, system access, or backups, they must first verify whether top management actually oversees IT risks and strategy. In other words, auditors first ask a simple question: is the leadership of the organization actively managing technology risks and performance? The first step in this process is evidence collection. Auditors must gather governance documents that prove executive involvement in net oversight. Some key documents include board meeting minutes, IT steering committee, meeting records approved, IT policies and standards, IT performance dashboards, and KPI reports. The organization SIT strategy document. These documents help auditors confirm whether senior executives and the board are reviewing technology issues regularly. For example, board minutes should show discussions about cybersecurity risks, technology investments, or major IT projects. If these discussions are missing, it may indicate weak governance. Another important activity is interviews with senior management. Auditors typically interview people such as the IT head, the CFO, senior executives involved in technology oversight. During these interviews, auditors asked structured questions like, when was the last time the steering committee met, which ITKPs are reported to executives? Every month. How does the IT strategy align with the company's business plan? The answers must always be supported by evidence, not just verbal explanations. There are also several red flags that auditors should immediately note. For example, if the board does not review at risks, if the steering committee has not met for a long time, or if there are no KPI dashboards monitoring IT performance. These situations usually indicate serious governance weaknesses. After collecting all evidence, auditors summarize the results in an executive report for the board. This report is usually a short presentation highlighting governance, maturity level, major gaps in oversight, significant operational risks, recommended corrective actions. Executives are not interested in technical details. They want to understand business impact, risk exposure, and the actions required to fix problems. Finally, all evidence, interview notes, reports, and analyses are compiled into a governance audit package. This package proves that the governance assessment has been completed and provides the foundation for the next stage of the IS audit. Because without proper governance oversight, even strong technical controls cannot ensure effective IT risk management. That is why governance assessment is always the first step in any professional IS audit engagement.